yesterday, well, it feels long. It feels brief, man, when the light is gone. When I look to my youth, I never really thought about the time. The thought of my day to come was the last thing upon my mind, but that was a long time ago.
So we're in Porto city centre, just enjoying a drink by the river.
First cocktail
Jen's enjoying a Porto de Vino. Porto de what?
Porto Tonico.
Porto Tonico. And me, standard super pop. England are through to the final of the World Cup today. Buzzing with that. Going out to a jazz bar to see a Amy Winehouse tribute later. Good. Cheers.
Sun is shining, weather is
Feel like it was only yesterday, learning to cast my line right from the riverbed. It feels like yesterday, but it was a long time ago. I said it was a long time ago.
So we just got to Lisbon last night. We're going in this afternoon. It's a little bit rainy this morning, but got the Rugby World Cup final to watch, so been up and at 'em, just had me breakfast. Jen's really excited too. And the darling, come on. Rugby World Cup in half an hour. Anyway, we've got to go to shop for some beers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what Lisbon has to offer later. I think we're going to spend a couple of days here, and then we're moving on to the south and see if we can get some better weather. It's been pretty misty and rainy in most places on the way down. We were at Sintra last. The gardens were beautiful there, and they had nice caves and stuff to look around, so I would recommend that if anybody else is going there. And yeah, that's it. Bye for now. over to the left, and then a shake to the right. Put a hand on your hips and bend your knees in time. On the amazing Trezamanos beach here. Picturesque.
Oh, it's amazing.
Seas and sand, rock formations in the sea. We're in the southernmost part of Portugal, making our way along the coast, enjoying our last week, having a good time, soaking up the rays, seeing people putting the Christmas decorations up at home. Must be setting in cold over there, back at home. Missing everybody.